Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Miura Jota SVR and this is by Takara Tomy and this is their premium edition. So let's just unbox and see how it looks. Here it is. So here is the box view and here is the hologram, the official Lamborghini hologram. And so this took a lot of time to find. This one it's actually pretty rare and in India it is really not easy to find this. And these things are actually pretty costly. Okay, let's open it. Oh yes. Okay, there is nothing inside the box. So I really don't understand what this is, but this Takara Tomy products comes with this particular sheet. If you guys know anything about this, drop me in the comments. Okay, let's get to the car. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is pretty heavy and this looks really gorgeous. Oh man. The paint job is really fantastic and the detailings are pretty awesome. Okay, you can open this. This is really sick. I love this, man. I really love this. The rims are really nice. Here's the top view. Wow, this looks excellent. Let me show you the bottom view. Hope you guys can see the interior here. This looks really gorgeous. Okay, this one is kind of plastic. It's kind of a rubbery plastic. The spoiler. The rest of the body is made of metal and the wheels are made of plastic. It is plastic, but I'm happy that Takara Tomy just went with different set of rims, because if you see most of their cars actually has the same rims, so this one is not like that. Here is one more look at this interior. The detailings are really amazing. It doesn't have any suspension or anything, but this still looks really beautiful. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help for me if you guys subscribe and support me, so I can put out more great content like this. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your help so far and support so far, and please keep me supporting, and thank you for watching this video. Good night guys, and have a great day. Goodbye.